Hi, I'm Marna, and I went to a garage sale. How many of my videos do I start with, hi, I'm Marna, I went to and I want to show you what I got. Quite a few, and that's good because we all love those hauls. And I did get a haul, and I'm pretty excited about this one. We went and I saw the Baby Alives first, and yes, she does work, and yes, she does have the soft face. Now whether I can get her to, oh, I thought I turned her on.
I don't feel
there
good.
She is. Let's see if she'll move her face. There you go. And she coughs and she has this, and she had the little outfit to go with her, the little PJs, which is really cute. And then they had these girls, and well, three really. I did not know before today, I guess, that these were American Girl dolls. I've probably passed up a lot of these in the past, and I won't be again. And then they had this, and she is a beautiful, I'm pulling her dress up to show you that someone did cut the tag off the American Girl, but she is marked American Girl on her back. We did verify that. And she is in a Our Generation dress, which I thought was really cute. Her hair, I think I can comb this out, said the little engine that did. But I'm not sure, so I took a chance on the doll. I've done worse hair, but this is not rooted. This is a wig, and we'll just have to see. But I got all of this. I made an offer, and I got all of this for $25. I felt like it was a very good deal on both sides. I went to another garage sale after that, and I got this for my, and you can see it's an older one with the little pearl buttons. Isn't that cute? It's actually a snap, but it's got the button on there. And it is like a little girl's, I don't know, christening maybe, but it's a little big for that. Like a little Easter dress or the like. Anyway, I got this for my Patty Play Pal for $1, and I thought it was, you know, she's an older doll. I think I got her in 1962, 63, somewhere around there. And this outfit is kind of timely for that. So you know, the hanger was worth the $1. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.